So as you can see, I'm sitting down getting ready for my meeting. I slayed my face, as you can see, but I ran out of time and I didn't get a chance to go get my drink or go run my errands. So hopefully this meeting is short. Y'all, I do not feel like having a meeting today. One thing I want to say just in general is try to listen to what it is that you actually want and need. Like if you're having a day where it's like, I need to do this but I don't feel like it, see if you can create the type of lifestyle for yourself where you don't have to do things you don't want to do. This was something that I chose to do, but it's one of those things that now I'm just like, this was probably not the best idea because I really am not. So we'll see how the meeting goes. Anyway, you guys can watch me prep, and then we're gonna hopefully go on a field trip after this. It's supposed to rain tonight, so I'm trying to like go get little things, like, you know, I want some treats, but that can't really happen if this meeting doesn't take all day. And that's another thing too, when it's a meeting that you don't feel like having, and then they take all, excuse my language, curse warning, they take all fucking day. This is the opposite of the healing vlogs. This is the toxic vlog because I'm just complaining. But it's just like, know your boundaries and know when to say no. It's okay, especially as a creative. Like if you're a creative or whatever profession you're in, it's okay to say no and to be like, you know, I don't want to do that. You know, a lot of times we do things for money. Money is just an energy. It's just a frequency. You always have money. You're always surrounded by and engulfed in money. You have to figure out what's worth your energetic frequency or your time or your energy. Because if you take things that misalign, even if they give you the paper frequency, it's not going to work out and you're going to be whatever. So that's why I'm just like, this is one of them things, I don't want to do this. But it came back around and I'm like, all right, I'll spend the block on it and see what's up. But I'm just sitting here like, I don't even want to discuss it. And if I told y'all what it was, y'all would be like, girl, go do it. Are you crazy? But it's just like, if something does not align with me, I don't care what it is, I am not going to do it. If the vibes are off, I'm not going to do it. I don't care what it is. So yeah, let's get this fucking meeting done. I also want to talk to you guys about this because I've talked about it on all my other channels. I don't know. I have a store now. This is my brand. It's vintage. Wait, let me show y'all. Look. It will not focus. Okay, anyway. It's vntge.store. It's been up for a while, but I just officially announced it. I've been trying to figure it out. And I may make some more changes soon, but this is what's on here right now. I have my summer dress collection, and I'm gonna have more items that I'm launching for the summertime, an official launch. I have my jewelry collection, which is really what started this, and then, oh look, it's me. And then I have my sale items, which is like what I consider my wintry items, shoe collection, and yeah, so definitely go check it out. A lot of the sale items are half off right now, and it's really a brand that I wanted to curate to like, I've always been in love with retro styles, and I feel like we see a lot of retro styles and inspiration in some of the even modern styles and modern designers today. And so I kind of wanted to do that, so a lot of the pieces kind of like borrow from things that we've seen in the 80s, 90s, 70s, some 50s, but they're very modern pieces. So yeah, definitely go check that out. I'm about to go into this meeting. I will tell y'all more about this if and when it pans out. Yeah, and hopefully the person that I'm working with does not watch this vlog and it's like, oh my god, why didn't you just say you weren't feeling it? And I'm like, child, because sometimes you just gotta try stuff. You gotta try it out. So anyway, I'm gonna log into this meeting. Y'all can hang out right there, and then I promise we're gonna go do something outside after this. Although I probably should have started recording earlier because I had a whole like ordeal earlier. This meeting was supposed to be this morning, but then I just was like, I need to move it. And now I'm realizing I probably should have moved it to tomorrow because today is just like one of those days where I'm just like, yeah. So anyway, I literally did all that complaining and the meeting didn't even happen. So I have to like contact them and see what's going on. But I'm gonna move it. The power of the tongue, the words that you say are powerful. So let's get the hell out of here and go do something. So one thing that is very hard for me is having uncomfortable conversations with people. Like, I literally am so terrified of having the most simple conversations with people. Like, my anxiety is intense. So sometimes people will look at me and be like, you could have just communicated that. No, like, I have a very intense form of anxiety, and I often talk myself out of doing things. I have to currently, like right now, I have to send a text message related to the meeting that I was supposed to have. And this is just interesting for me to open up like this to, you know, people on the internet, but I'm anxious about it, and I'm a grown-up, you know, I'm a grown-up, and I'm anxious as heck because I have to be assertive, and I'm just like, I just did it. If anybody else struggles with that, please let me know. Comment below. If anybody else struggles with the type of anxiety where sending a text message, giving somebody simple communication and saying this, and this, let me know, because I will avoid because I get literally sick to my stomach. And sometimes it's bad, other times it's not. Right now is one of those moments where I'm like, your girl is anxious. So anyway, let's go on this fun, fancy free little excursion. We're not quite done yet. It is a few days later. The day that I had those dumplings, the weather got really bad, and then like things just got kind of busy, so whatever. But I was talking about the previous clip, and I don't know because I haven't edited yet if it froze or something's wrong with the clip, but I was talking about having difficult conversations and how like it's not fun, but it's necessary. Just in general, I'm just speaking in general. It's like I've had so many times, like with my friends, my parents, where I've had to have uncomfortable conversations or vice versa. And oftentimes I feel like I shy away from those things because, like, especially if you've been through a lot, it feels so much easier to just, you know, brush that off to the side. Especially if you're somebody who feels like no matter what you do, whether you're happy or sad, but especially when you're happy, there's always somebody who's upset at that. So it can be hard sometimes when you're a natural born people pleaser to like have hard conversations with people. But one thing that I have learned from my life coach, and I think I did say this in that previous part, when you finally release and just say what you feel, it feels so good. Like, be super honest with people and don't hold any maliciousness and don't hold the weight of their feelings, because they should not hold the weight of yours. You have to deal with that. I have to deal with that. You know what I'm saying? So if we're all accountable for our own stuff and we communicate, like, whether it's family, whether it's whoever, like, it's important for you to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this vlog. I have one coming right after this that I'm about to start shooting immediately. So I love you guys. Thanks for spending the day with me. DJ Sam, talk to y'all later. Love y'all.